Hello.
हाँ सर।
Yeah, yeah. One second. I'm sharing the screen.
हाँ
Okay. Come to the screen.
यस सर।
Done. Okay. Let's open the file. Okay. Last file we'll open and we'll modify that. Okay. So separate గా చూపించాను కదా ఐస్ నోస్ ఓకే మౌత్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిస్కస్ ఆల్రెడీ మనం మౌత్ ఏమో ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి వెళ్ళి డిస్కస్ చేసాం బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ డిస్కస్ ఓకే అయితే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ ఆప్షన్కి వెళ్దాం అండ్ యూ క్రియేటెడ్ దిస్ వన్ నౌ okay we need to add what is it this one what year to this portion now. Okay, face అయితే almost all ready but we need to modify some little bit changes we need to do it in this one now. Okay, let's go to the side view. Okay, okay, one second, let me go with this this is perspective. Okay, make it front option in this one. Okay, zoom. Okay, now select these lines. Okay, and we have applied the material already. Okay, we have applied material. One second, yeah, this one little decrease of opacity so we can see the backside object actually. Okay, where we need to create the ears and all, where we need to attach the ears and all, just we need to decrease the opacity. Then we need to adjust this nose area now. Okay, select this one, minimize this one, go to the modifier section, vertices, select this vertices and properly organize this one. Okay, zoom. Okay, and try to move this one little backside and this one has to go more deep inside this one. Like this it should go. Okay, a little bit far away from this side and this one also should be little over here now. So little more adjustment I am doing on this side now for making little smooth in this one. Okay, so now once everything is properly organized, okay, let me go with this option and drag this up and down here now. Properly give proper lines on this one and properly adjust these lines and all. Okay, okay, right now here we are having some disturbance. Okay, so select this one and try to move down. Okay, try to organize this properly, these lines and all. Okay, Yeah, these settings we have done now. Let me adjust this area also properly. And the extra vertexes and all, I'll remove those all extra one, whichever extra one is there, that I'll remove it. Yeah, okay. One second, let me adjust this one also. Yeah, 1 minute, let me move this one properly over here, this one back. Yeah, okay, it is done now. Okay, select this all and try to make it straight on this one now. Scale and try to make it straight here. Okay, then if you want it a little bit adjustment, you can do it on this one. Okay, so almost all we have almost in the ending session. Let's just move. Yeah guys, so this is done now. Now we need to create an ear portion here over here now. So we properly organize this one as per the ear portion, we can see. Okay, this one I'll move towards right side. Okay, this one over here little up, this one will go up little bit up here in this one, and this one will go towards left up. Okay, and slightly move this like this, it will go. So properly organize in this way now. Okay, so right now as per the ear we have modified it now. You see, if you want like this, or else you can make it a round also on this one now. You can make it a round shape like this. Okay, once it is done, just move this one and try to organize exactly according to this one now. Yeah, guys. Right now we have done with this one now. So now let's go to the perspective view and we'll, sorry, one second, let's go to the front. Okay, perspective view on this one. We need to delete some edges on this one. Now which is unwanted edges, I'll delete those edges now. Right click on this one. Okay, go to the edge mode. Okay, double click on this one and delete unwanted edges now. We can see. Select this one, again double click on this one, control backspace to delete it now. But if it is there also, there is no issue. Why? Because it is perfectly all right here. This one. Let me see from the top. Okay, everything is okay. Just a small portion, one or two lines are there. That if we adjust, that is okay. Yeah. ठीक. Yeah. So now minor portion we need to adjust here on this one. So right click this one vertex mode and try to select this one and try to move it over here now. This one. Try to properly organize these lines exactly as per our requirement. We can see. Right guys, so almost all we are about to finish this one. Okay, let me move this one and see now. Right now it is okay. So now change this one what is it, opacity mode. So maximize the opacity and maximize 100% now on this one. So we can see the object clearly now. Apply turbo smooth and see the result here now. Okay, now let me see this in the front area. Now this is okay now, right now. Okay, and small portion right now almost all looking good. No need to change anything. Okay, some depth I need to create it on this side. Okay, select this one, go to the vertex mode. Okay, and try to select this one and try to create a small depth in this now. Okay, let me continue this one. Go to the cut option, this one, cut tool and continue from here one point and then second point and directly come and close it on this side. Press enter to discontinue. Right click. Now take this vertex option in this one, select this vertex and try to balance the shape in this one. Just move and see whether it is connected the vertexes or not. Just see. Yeah, right now what I'll do, I'll delete this portion now. Select this one, control backspace to delete. Okay, and we need to continue this one up here in this one, up direction we can see. So select this edge. Okay, so use the option called ring and connect it again. One line we need to connect it on this one. Accept and take the cut option again. Connect this point and second one, this point over here, and right click. Vertex mode. Select this vertex and see whether it is connected or not. Yeah. So now let's apply turbo smooth and see the result here now. Okay, so nose portion is completely done. Okay, how much depth we want, we applied the depth in this now. Now eyes portion is also okay, and then eyebrows is also okay, and this chin option also is okay now. Okay, now let me take this edge. Right now we are having small disturbance in this now. What I'll do, I'll select this edge and double click on this one and delete it, control backspace. Select this edge, control backspace. Means unwanted, I'm removing this edges on this one now. Whichever unwanted portion is there, that I'll remove this now. Okay, select this vertex and try to move this one over here now. Yeah guys, almost all, we are near about ending all. Yeah, let me organize this one. I guess. Right guys, let me deactivate this one and let's go to this option. Okay, rotate and see this one final. Okay, so this is what complete head portion guys. Now we need to connect it this ear portion over here. So what we need to do, we need to select this area and go with the polygon option in this one, and now select this polygon area 1 2 3 4 and delete it. Right now we are going to connect our what's that ear on this one now. Okay, so deactivate this one and place the so what's it ear inside this one now. So save this one, Control S, file option, okay, import, okay, import option again, okay, go back and go to the scene folder and take the ear portion from here, all files, ear portion, and say open now. Okay, right now we have opened this option. Okay, select this one and try to move outside first and select this reference and delete it. Before reference deleting, object properties, okay, properties, okay, so right click on this one, object properties, and remove this option freeze on this one, and okay here, and delete this layer from here now. Right now we need this here, but we want certain rotation to be done on this one. So rotation over here, move tool on this side. I'm scaling this one to a small size because we want how much size we want, we have to take that size and we need to organize. Okay guys, now select this one and give a color to this one as in gray color, accept it. Now select this portion and try to manipulate inside this portion. You can see. Okay, now I need to connect this both now. So go to the object mode. Now I don't want to have this more details on this one. Okay, so once we deactivate this one, make selection of this object, remove this turbo smooth for this one, and similarly for the ear also we'll remove the turbo smooth on this one now. It will become original object now. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to merge these two now. Select this one and try to move outside. Okay, now we need to merge these two. So but before this one we need to have that many of edges on this one whenever we are merging on this one. So let's see whether whether counting is perfect on this one or not. Let's see first. Select this and go to the attach option in this one, attach settings, and click on this attachment over here now. One second. Go and click the second option, it will attach on this one. So deactivate this once it is attached. Now we can see we are having these vertexes and all. We need to connect this one now. Now whenever you are connecting in this one, we need to check whether we are having an opening face or not. Yes, opening face is there. Now select this vertex mode on this one. One second, let me see from the front view which one will perfectly match on this one. Let's select this one now. Wireframe mode. Okay, so wireframe mode on this one, so that we can understand where these lines are going, where these points are going now. So select this all and try to keep it near to this one now. But so whenever you are attaching this one, we need to attach it properly as per the lines available for us. Right guys, so as if I have adjusted this one now, select this one and try to move and place it on this top. Now we can see some edges we need it over this side also. Let's first go to the perspective and understand from the perspective now. Right now you can see it is perfectly aligned on this one. I'm scaling this one now for making straight lines on this one. Scale it and properly organize it now. Take this move tool and try to move this and organize it. Now I want to attach this one now. Let me go to the side view. Now I'll do one thing, I'll delete some of the edges on this one now. So go to the edge mode, double click on this edge and control backspace to remove. Whichever unwanted is there, I'm removing those options now. This one. Okay, let me select this one and apply turbo smooth and see. Now we have deleted all the vertexes and all. Okay, let's connect it one by one now. So wherever we need any edges and all, I'll apply this one now. So first of all, let me select this all vertexes. Sorry. Select this all vertexes from here. Okay, Alt and click to remove. Now as if I've done this one, now scale it now. Scale in the height first and then width we can say. Move tool and try to move and organize this one. Yeah, right now we have done. Okay, just move this backside. Okay, and just move it more backside so that easily we can see which one we are merging into this. Okay, now example, select this vertex and this vertex, select this both and try to merge this one now. So merging in the sense collapse we can say. Right now it is done, just rotate it, select these two and do the same thing. What is it, collapse option in this one, select these two, collapse, select these two, collapse on this one. Okay, two more lines are needed, so I'm selecting these two. Okay, and collapse on this area right now. Just I'm moving this down to properly organize these lines exactly on this area now. Right now we need three more lines on this one. Now whether it is needed or not, I'll decide and I'll delete it. Otherwise, if you don't need it, select these two. Otherwise, select this one and select this one. Okay, and merge it also. 1 second. Collapse on this one. Okay, let's just move this one down and try to organize here. Similarly, this one I'll organize left side over here and try to move up. Yes, move this one. Okay, and try to move this one and organize and select these two and try to collapse option in this one. Okay, and similarly this one also. Right on the top we can see we are having few lines on this one, so I'll move this line little right and backside here, and similarly this one will go right and backside on this area now. Okay, now select this point and try to move right and backside here. So this I need to connect it on this side, so I'll just take this vertex and try to organize this one down a little bit, and I'll take the new vertex and I'll add it on this one now. Now we need to attach these two now. Select this one not this one, we can say we can move up this one. Okay, select this and move up and make selection of these two vertices and collapse it on this one. Now say collapse, and on the top also we need to adjust one thing. Okay, select this, select these two and merge on this one now. So collapse on this one now. Right now we can see one lines are available inside this one. We need to select this one, we need to adjust it now this one. Okay, here we need two lines. So let me select this edges now. Whichever unselected is there, I am selecting this. Okay, control backspace to delete it now. Okay, select this one and control backspace to delete it. Okay, unwanted option I am deleting this one. Now later I will connect it again this one. So control backspace to delete. Now here we are having three, double click, double click, double click, and see whether it is any damaging. Yeah, all the lines are connected on this one now. Okay, make selection and apply turbo smooth and apply this one now. Okay, so 1 second, let me select this one, apply turbo smooth. I am adjusting the lines little bit now. Okay, over here now. A little bit adjustment I am doing on this one. So I need some edges to be added later on also. So I'll add those things right now. Let's see whether this shape is properly built or not. Any disturbance is there. Just 1 minute. Hello.
हेलो
हाँ
हाँ वो स्कॉलरशिप का कहते डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर का कहते फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर का एक 3 मंथ्स में आते 3 मंथ्स में आती कहते 3 मंथ्स
क्या करना है?
4 मंथ लगते हैं
क्या करना है?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर का है कहते फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर की स्कॉलरशिप का
नहीं समझ में आया मेरे को.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर का पेंडिंग है.
ओके 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 ठीक है. ओके ठीक है डन. Yeah, so okay, so let's apply the turbo smooth and see the result on this one. So somewhere, so we are having some lines on all, so that we'll see and we'll connect it properly on this one. So let's see the smoothness. Now some stretches is there in this one. Now we can see right now. We are having these vertexes, but we cannot see. Right now you can see here we are having so one vertex, and select this one and select these two and try to merge this one now, collapse it, because somewhere if you are having any opening, okay, so it will not show you. Now some corrections it will show you in this one. Now let me apply one more and see this now. Select this vertex. Okay, everything is okay, done. Then just move this down. Everything I'm adjusting it now finally. We are having some opening on this one, so we'll see and we'll delete this portion. Let me delete this edge. Right now I temporarily am deleting, later I will add this edges on this. Okay, select this edge, delete normally on this one. So once it is done, now select these edges. Now click this ring option in this one, ring option. So when you select it, you can see some edges it is showing. Now click on the connect option in this one line I am connecting on this area. One second guys, default, reset default. Yeah, so let me grab this one towards left side. Okay, connect option in this one. Okay, one line I want to connect it. Okay, now then I want to move this up for having a little bit more deep in this now, for ear portion we can say. So minimum so I am keeping this edges and all now. Okay, this is done. Let me select this one again, click on the ring option and connect it once again on this one. Over here I have connected. Now only these edges should go inside this one, inside this deep we can say over here now. Okay, so we need one more cut option in this one, so take the cut option. Okay, and try to connect it over this one. So first one connection, then second connection, and go and connect it on this side. Okay, right click on this one and take this move tool. Whatever I have readjusted everything, now I am adjusting everything inside this area only. Right, so let's apply the turbo smooth and see the result here now, right now. Okay, so once right click on this, once again deactivate this one and try to activate the turbo smooth on this one, and take this move tool and click outside and see. Okay, some adjustment more we have to do it. So what happened here? Select this vertices. Let me take this edge option, this one, select this one and click the ring option. Okay, and select this option also and again ring. One line we need to connect it on this side now, so go with the connection option and click the connection over here also. Okay, now go to the vertex mode and try to bring it little up in the round portion, this one, so little round on this area. And here also we have done this one, so having a little deep in this now, you can see. Okay, now apply turbo smooth and we can see here. Okay, now here we need to have some depth in this now. Select this. Select this vertices or edges we can say. We need to add one edge on this side now. So now take this option and ring, so for connection. Okay, as if I have selected this one. Now select this also, again click on ring and connect it again. So wherever I need the edges now, properly I am connecting and properly I am adjusting this one now. So I don't want any more selection, so alt and remove this selection, and this one also alt and remove, and try to bring it down here in this one now for ear portion. Over here like this, and take this vertex mode and try to move these vertices back and towards left side. Okay, select this polygon and delete it. Let me take this vertex properly. Okay, and try to move up and inside this portion. and this one we need to move it down here. Right now it is done. Okay, we need one more edge, so which will connect these two portions actually. Okay, I need this portion like this now. So one we need to connect it. Now use this edge option and extrude. Okay, extrude option and click OK and try to grab it down on this one. Now check it whether we got any extra edges on this one. Yeah, we got an extra portion in this one. Only vertex, maybe edges are there. Let me select this edge and delete. Let me select this polygon and delete it now. Now select this vertex and control backspace to delete it. Now select this point and try to grab it and place it on this area now, over here now. Okay, and similarly this point will go and connect it on this side now. One second, let me connect this one. Okay, select this and select this both and try to collapse on this one now. Use the collapse option. There is some collapse over here, collapse option, and try to adjust this one little bit over here now. Select this polygon and delete it. Okay, now select these two edges and try to collapse it now. Use collapse option. Go to the collapse section and collapse it on this one. So right now this vertex is properly organized and connected one line over here also. Okay, now this is done. Similarly this edge will go over here and try to adjust it, and one more. Yeah, This edge will come little front of this area. One more option is there. Let's select this polygon and delete it. Extra one, and vertex, select this vertex, control backspace to delete it. Okay, now this edge, try to organize it properly in this one now. Let me add some edges on this area now. Okay, take this edges, okay, ring option in this one, okay, and connect it on this area once again. Connected one line, we need to connect it. Why? Because this line will come and connect it over here now. Okay, make selection, again connection on this area. One second, take the cut tool and try to attach on this one now. So select this point and add it on this area. Right click. Okay, select this vertex, okay, and try to send inside this portion. Sorry. So next, one more connection over here, ring, okay, and yeah, we'll take this loop, okay, again ring, and connect it one more option. Okay, take this edges on this one, select this edge and okay, extrude, use extrude option in this one. Okay, accept it. Now connect these 2 points over here. Now select this point and control click on this one and collapse it on this one. Select this polygon, delete, okay, and select this vertex and control backspace to delete it. here. Okay, and use the cut option. Try to connect it on these 2 points, one and over here now, and press right click on this one and select this vertex and try to move forward in this way. Okay, and try to bring this one also a little forward and this one also a little forward on this one to apply the smoothness on this one. Right now this is done. Similarly, this point and this point will go up little bit now, forward, little up in this area. Okay, now connect these 2 points, collapse it. Okay, and bring it little down on this area, right side, and little up here in this one. One more polygon is there. Let's select this polygon, delete. Okay, select these 2 and merge it. So let me move this one down, left side, right. Select this one, move it up, left side here. Now select this all edges now, double click on this. Okay, select this all edges. Okay, now use extrude option in this one now. Okay, extrude option. Okay, now right click on this one, accept, and try to move it down in this area. Okay, and scale it and try to grab it near to this one now. Okay, and try to move towards right side on this one. Okay, and little up also over here now. One more extrude option, accept it, again move it down, again scale closer to this one and try to move it up and over here now this one. Okay, and let's go to the turbo smooth and we can see the result here. Okay, some minor correction we need to do, so we can do the correction and we'll finish it on this one. Okay, now this right now some vertices are flipped in this one, so we need to reverse this option and it will come back again also. Okay, properly organize and finish it now this one. Okay, one second, let me see, one option is not connected here. Select this two and collapse it on this one. Check whichever the vertexes is not connected, just check it and connect it properly. Okay, let me take this edge on this one. Okay, use the option called ring and connect one line over here and take this vertexes, select these two vertex and collapse again. So we need to add one edge on this side. Take the edge mode, okay, ring option and connect it one more time on this one. Now go to the vertex mode and try to add these two vertices and collapse it. So wherever you are having this vertices, properly connect it and attach to this one now. And randomly once check also whether it is connected or not. So everything is connected. Let's apply turbo smooth and see. One second. Right guys, so okay, select this all vertices, all these vertices, and see no other vertices are selected. Now scale this one and try to scale it little bit more closer to this one now. Okay, and no, not this much, little bit. Select this all, okay, and try to move left side in this area. Okay, and some rotation we need to do it on this side. We need to have a little rotation on this one, and then move it more inside this one. Okay, apply turbo smooth and we can see the result here. Okay, 1 minute, let me select this one. Try to scale a little bit as the ear is not that much height in this one. Okay, move it a little forward on this also. Okay, done. Up, accept it. Right guys. Okay, so complete this one ear portion, okay, and attach to these surfaces, okay, and then in the next class we'll see the body section now. Right, all of you? Mashankar,
Yes,
Sanjay,
sir.
right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Bye guys.